Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up or add a reminder in Google Sheets. So the first thing that you can do is just open your Google Sheets first, and after that here you need to install an extension and new apps on your Google Sheets. So you need to go to the Google work so click on get add-ons. You need to go to this Google Marketplace. Okay, and add the app, add reminders. Find the apps in here and then just install it on your Google Sheets. Let's see the app first. Okay, this one's right here. As you guys can see here, after the install the app, close it. If you already installed, you need to go to extension, and there will be this app add reminders. Then just click on set up or edit reminders. So there will be this add reminders on the right panel. You need to select where you want to add the reminder. So click on this add a new reminder. After that, after you select the column, you can choose when you want to send reminders. You can set 1 hour or 2 hours before, for example, or maybe days, weeks, months, years before. So if there are other people using this file, you can also choose to notify them or not by entering the address, the email address, then click on done after that. So just like that, the reminders will be added. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.